The if-else step allows you to split a workflow journey into paths based on conditions such as, does the contact have a specific tag? Is the current month December? Has the contact replied to a message from this workflow? Or even, did they enter this workflow via workflow trigger number 1 versus workflow trigger number 2? If-else steps are great, for example, if you want to send a lead different messaging based on whether or not they have a specific tag. This workflow, for example, kicks off when a contact clicks a redeem offer trigger link, and we can see that the first step is an if-else that checks to see if the contact already has a tag called offer pending. If they do, they go down the yes path, which removes that tag, then replaces it with an offer redeemed tag. Then it sends them an email letting them know they successfully redeemed the offer. If they didn't have that offer pending tag, however, then they would have gone down the no path, which would have just emailed them saying something like, sorry, this offer has already been redeemed by this email. Another powerful example is using the if-else to split the journey based on which workflow trigger brought them into the workflow. Let's say you have a workflow that sends a dentist an email after an appointment, and the email asks the dentist how the appointment with that contact went, and the email contains a trigger link for each of the possible outcomes, such as showed and bought, no show, and showed but didn't buy. Well, this workflow would kick off when the dentist clicks any one of those 3 trigger links, but we need to figure out which trigger link the dentist clicked, which we can do with the if-else step. We can see this first event is an if-else that is checking to see if the dentist clicked the no-show link. If that was the link he or she clicked, the workflow will continue down the yes path, which adds them to another workflow to try to get the contact to reschedule. If not, it will continue down the no path, and we can see the next event would be another if-else that checks if the link that was clicked was showed but didn't buy. If no, it would continue, and we could continue building these if-else branches. In addition to the examples we covered, you can create if-else branches based on time-based elements like current day of the week, specific dates, current month, current year, and even the current time of day. The if-else event is a powerful way to build one workflow that can execute a number of objectives, and we'll be continually adding more conditional options within the if-else on an ongoing basis.